So I want to preface this by saying this is the a video of the Dick Allen Lansing to Mackinac. Dick Allen was a senator from the state of Michigan, or is he was a senator. He's still alive, and he wanted to prove that cyclists could use the road along with motor vehicles. And he did this on Labor Day weekend starting 49 years ago. And it's a big tour that happens every year. So another thing is that this is a tour and not a race, which means it's kind of leisurely and you go all day to cover the mileage for the day. This is a 5-day ride, and it starts actually here at MSU at the Pavilion over on Farm Lane, and it's 75 to 80 miles a day for 5 days until you get up to the Mackinac Bridge. So that's just the little start for what we're looking at. So we're starting here. You see, it looks like some of the people are working pretty hard and others are going. You see people standing up, and that's because we've been going uphill for already almost 4 miles. This stretch is really rough. You're already 50, 60 miles into your 75, 80 mile day, and this is just an area before you're getting up into Petoskey where it's really hilly, and this is a stretch where it's uphill most of the way. So here you see some people are really slowing down. When your momentum gets up, it's hard to keep the bike upright. You'll see the bikes tipping back and forth, or people swerving back and forth, and even several people stopped. Here you see someone with a wagon behind them. They actually pulling a kid with them, and they've stopped and are walking up the hill. It's really hard to keep the momentum going and make it up. And as you go up this, to add a little insult to injury, we're getting to the top here. And then the last little over 600 feet here, you gain over 100 feet in elevation. This is literally the steepest paved road in the lower peninsula of Michigan right here at an over 18% grade. So you've lost all momentum going several miles, and now you're going uphill in a very steep fashion at the end. Note the little smiley face they paint that there every year because you're almost there, but you're still at the hardest point. And you hear the hard breathing and stuff. This really takes a lot, and you're already taxed, and then you have to work extra hard to get there. And they do have emergency personnel at the top. There's a police officer. They're more for watching the traffic and letting oncoming traffic know that cyclists are coming, and to make sure that we're all staying safe. Funny thing is, a little farther down the road is a fire department and ambulances, and they have stuff set up for us and food and beverages, which is really cool. Quite an accomplishment. Only about half the people actually make it up